Yo, what's good with y'all boys and girls? You feel me? Today, we got something special for y'all. I mean, not really special, but finna shoot the guns off, see who got the best aim, you feel me? Oh yeah, I'm on the folder right now, y'all, my bad. It might be loud, you feel me? But yeah, we finna shoot these guns off, man. Turn the camera on when I get over there. Yes, sir. Bitches out today. Sure.
Yeah, you should bust your handle up some more. Somebody's with
It's a long target.
Yeah. You should have brought it way to the front. You can move it, can you?
Yeah.
You should have brought that bit like.
I gotta get the Allen wrench.
Oh, the Allen wrench. Oh. You ain't gotta do it. I'm just saying.
Yeah. Yeah, man, we finna shoot some shit.
That bit probably like, I know you talking about that bit like. Instead of having the stock all the way back, you gotta move your thing all the way up so you can put the stock all the way up. Yeah. Cause when you doing that, you gotta have to start back. That's why I do have to start back and shit. Give you room. And then the space in the bit between your trigger and the what's the name, second finger. Yeah. I feel like you got better mobility when you hold the rail. It's easy with that. It's easy with that, right? About 20 of the most accurate Glock in the world. How far you was standing? Behind the barrel. Oh, I was way back up. What about to hit back up?
You gonna try to hit the white part. We just trying to hit the white part for real. It's a far ass shot. I don't understand how far this is. It's a 4.5. That bit loud, boy. Zoom out. Like, look how far that shot is, yo. Yeah, we might get trolled in the comments, but oh God, we just playing. We just shooting for real. You hit it? Yeah, nobody. Oh God, it's a far shot.
Did you ever hit it when it had no holes in it before you put it on it?
No. You don't want to hit it so far. So my sight off bad. Get you a clip.
I just got the cheapest one I found. It was a Korean made on Amazon. Yeah, that one online. Some company. Let me shoot your shit.
All right, go ahead.
I'm gonna hold another kill in a minute. But I tear that bit. Who's gonna do it? Oh, this KJ shit?
Yeah. Yeah. Go to the left. Down high a little bit. Oh, fuck. Just me fucking around. 1, 2, 3. Hit that flap. That be right here too.
bit ain't gonna jump right there.
Oh yeah, I'm turning on the sight for you. Bitch should be on.
Yup. It's on too. Huh.
God. Boy, that bit loud as fuck. That's a new one. Hit the whole F one.
I'm trying to see what else I saw. I know I hit this bitch about 2 times.
Oh God, cause I seen it down.
That's what I'm saying. Cause there's so many holes, I don't know which one it is. But I know I hit on the right side somewhere and on the left side.
Yeah, I honestly forgot.
Oh,
But I know for a fact you hit that left at the bottom.
Yeah.
Glock 23, man.
Y'all know ain't none of this time.
Dump mat.
Right there. So I'm talking about, I ain't hiding.
Hey.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Dump man, only 3.
Boy, that bitch so loud. Oh, try this shit. What the fuck here? I hit that bit right here, right there. These are all the other ones. These ain't mine. But I hit that bit right here and here. Damn. Yeah, I gotta get way better at that shit. You gotta get way better at that shit. On that first hit, that one, then you hit that one, and this right here. This off a quick draw. Our first time doing this. Press the red button. Yeah.
I told I told you, bitch, that be a loud one. I told you what them is.
No, I saw it. 4-5.
You can sit here once about 10 script and get shot. Huh? Right. You gotta be laying and playing. Laying and playing. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you hitting now?
Come on up, nigga. It's harder with this, ain't it?
Nah, it should be a little bit easier.
Yeah, it is. I feel you.
Yo, so I hope y'all enjoyed that. You feel me? I hope y'all enjoyed that little shit around. We was just playing around though, bro. Like honestly, we was playing around. I mean, I really wasn't gonna do a video, but I said, why not? Go ahead and do a video. But yeah, we was honestly just playing for real. Like, we can really shoot, man. Like, we'll have another video on this, like a part 2. Like, I might give away some money or something, you know, whoever the best shooter, get $100 or something. You never know. I'm gonna bring out a lot more people this time, like on the next one. But yeah, man, I hope y'all like that video. Even though, yeah, I'm in a different fit, you know, next day type beat again, next day type beat. I'm sorry, y'all. Like, I forgot about it. Yeah, but, yeah, like, comment, subscribe, man. The next video, it's gonna be a banger, yes, sir.